What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm sure that you can hear all the rumble going on behind me, all around me actually. It must mean one thing. We're at Holley LS Fest 2023. Let's get this party started. I've been to a bunch of Jeep shows and a bunch of car shows, and I'm telling you right now, the Holley LS Fest is unlike any show I've ever been to. From drag racing to drifting to autocross, there's even an off-road short course as well as a rock crawler course. And what was even more cool to see was all of the different types of vehicles that people have stuffed big V8 LS motors into. Now, we were lucky enough to be invited by Holley to have my Jeep in their booth, but it wasn't the only Jeep there. There were a couple YJs, maybe a TJ, a couple XJs. There was a pretty good array, but it was kind of cool to be the only JK there that we saw the entire weekend. Well, I guess if you still consider my Jeep a JK at this point. Now, LS Fest, just like most shows, has a pretty solid vendor section where you can buy all kinds of goodies for your LS powered vehicles. They even had a guy that was much braver than me that decided to jump this poopy wagon. Fest, and the show is just now getting started. It's the end of day 2 here. It's probably going to be the end of this video, but stick around. There might be some pretty cool stuff for me to show you even still. But hey, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. So we are back from LS Fest now, but the LS fun is not over yet, because coming up very, very soon, we've got a pretty killer upgrade coming to the engine. Now this is something that I wanted to tackle a long time ago, but we had to make sure we could do it right. We've had this cheesy cover on this truck intake on the engine since the beginning, and even though it looks relatively clean, I know we can still make it better. Coming soon, we are making a major upgrade to the LS with the help of a couple friends from Holley and Zach at BCC Customs. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Stay tuned.